Alright, imagine this. You're standing in a wide open field. Perfect weather, drone in hand, ready to capture something amazing. Now, what if I told you the next DJI Mini might just break one of the biggest traditions that made the series so popular? Yep, we're talking about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and according to recent leaks courtesy of Mauro Tanduit, might be saying goodbye to that iconic sub-250-gram status. That's right, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to weigh in at 256 grams, which, if true, would push it just over that magical 249 grams limit. That limit has always been a huge selling point because it often means no registration, no red tape, just charge it up and go. But here's the twist. DJI might still offer a standard battery option that keeps it under 249 grams, perfect for casual users, while also introducing an intelligent flight battery. Now, plus for power users, that boosts flight time, but crosses that regulatory threshold. Basically, they're trying to keep both hobbyist and hardcore creators happy. Now, when it comes to flight time, things get even more exciting. Based on a leaked FCC label and Mauro's notes, the Mini 5 Pro might come packed with a 33.5 watt-hours battery, capable of hitting a whopping 53 minutes of flight time in perfect lab conditions. Realistically, flying outdoors and shooting 4K at 30 FPS, the estimate drops to about 45 minutes, which is still a major leap compared to the Mini 4 Pro, which tops out around 30 to 35 minutes under real conditions, Evan, with the Plus battery. If these numbers hold up, Mini 5 Pro could be a game changer for aerial content creators who've been craving more time in the air. So that said, there's a quirky detail in the leak about the drone lasting only 5 minutes under extreme FCC testing. Sounds scary, but it's likely from a stress test scenario. It's not something you'd ever experience during normal flights, so probably nothing to lose sleep over. Let's move on to transmission range, because this is where DJI might really stretch its wings. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with OcuSync 4 Plus, which could boost its range up to 25 kilometers. That's reportedly a 108% increase over the Mini 4 Pro's 20 kilometers range, though mathematically, that doesn't quite add up. Still, 25 kilometers is way more than most of us would ever need, unless you're planning to send your drone on a crosstown mission. But the real upgrade here isn't just range, it's stability. DJI is rumored to include support for Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax, which could reduce 5 GHz packet loss by about 62%. Translation? Smoother video feed, fewer signal dropouts, and a much more stable flying experience, especially in crowded urban areas where interference is usually a nightmare. If you've ever had your feed cut out while shooting near buildings or other drones, this could be the most underrated upgrade of all. So where does that leave us? Honestly, the DJI Mini 5 Pro sounds like a well-balanced evolution, one that tries to keep the best parts of the Mini series while pushing performance boundaries. If the leaks are true, we're getting more flight time, longer range, and stronger transmission, even if it means a bit more weight and maybe filling out a registration form depending on your location. The question is, does the performance justify the extra grams? Would you still buy the Mini 5 Pro if it crosses the 250 grams mark? Or is that a total deal breaker for you? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments if you found this breakdown helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our full review when the Mini 5 Pro officially drops. And if you're curious how it stacks up to the Mini 4 Pro or looking for the best budget drones of 2025, check out the links on the end screen. Thanks for watching. Fly safe and stay creative. Peace.